Hi there, it's me, Gorgeous Disgrace. No. Take two. Hi there, it's me, Gorgeous Disgrace. And welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a great and wonderful day, night, evening, twilight, dusk, whatever time of the day it is for you. Do you like my new Bratz collection? Well, it's the same dolls, but I put shelves there. Well, they're the same shelves I had before. But yeah, I love them. I want you to always be able to see them in the video. So in today's video, I have no highlighter, see? No highlighter. No highlighter is on. No highlighter is applied. I'm gonna show you how to get the most blindingest, strikingest highlight that the children can't take it. Your highlight's gonna be popping. Pop, 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 popping the highlighter. Popping the highlighter. So I'm gonna show you how. So I just take this little glitter lipstick. I don't know who it's from, but you know how you do it. It's just where you put it where you highlight. I highlight there, the top of my nose. Of course, right here, I like to go and like layer it on itself, like boom, boom, boom. And of course, you know, do the same thing to the other side. Like, how many times did I just go in? And then top of my lip, but I also like to go down there and there. And just to make my lips more full. Like, I know I have beautiful full lips, but I want them to be even fuller. Then my chin. I guess we can do the forehead. I don't usually highlight my forehead. So, I mean, that's just a cream highlight. So, I mean, okay, so when the light hits it, it looks nice. But next, I'm gonna go into my blending highlighter brush, and it's upside down. The Wet n Wild MegaGLO highlighter in Blossom Glow MegaGLO highlighting powder. And as you can see, I am hitting pan. So I need to go and buy another one. Get it on that brush. Look at that. And then my Cupid's bow, I like to highlight intensely with my Cupid's bow and just dust slightly around the lip. I haven't hit those cheekbones yet, but once I hit those cheekbones, just gonna blend it with my finger a little bit, but look. Powder on, no powder. Like, I'm a production. Like, look at this highlight. I am a production. I'm my own production team. Technically. But it is like raising my cheekbones to like high levels. I have natural light coming in. And I have my mirror light as well. My ring light, I guess. Check that out. Bam! Oh. I'm living for it. So, there's the video how to get a strong, blinding highlight. It's me, your girl, Gorgeous Disgrace. So, yes. Thanks for coming. Oh. I just realized I didn't hit my forehead. I put the cream up there, but I didn't hit it. I just like doing a light dusting on my forehead if I decide to highlight it. Yes, thank you for coming to my how to get the brightest highlight. I already said that. So yes, like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment if you know you love this bright highlighter or you just want to say hi. That's always fun. And of course, subscribe for more future content. Thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!